WebFlow versus Figma. Which is better? Purpose: WebFlow, design responsive websites visually without code. Figma, collaborative interface design and prototyping tool. Design interface: WebFlow, drag and drop visual canvas for website design. Figma, interface design prototyping with collaborative features. Key features: WebFlow, responsive design, CMS hosting, e-commerce. Figma, interface design, prototyping, collaborative tools. Learning curve: WebFlow, beginner friendly for designers without heavy coding. Figma, user friendly, suitable for interface designers. Use cases: WebFlow, designers, developers creating websites visually. Figma, UI UX designers, teams collaborating on designs. Interactivity: WebFlow offers animations and interactions visually. Figma, prototyping of fixture interactions and user flows. Coding requirement: WebFlow, minimal coding needed for basic functionality. Figma, no coding required, focuses on design and prototyping. Collaboration: WebFlow, limited collaboration features, focuses on design. Figma, strong collaboration tools for team-based work. Customization: WebFlow, limited allows for extensive customization and interactions. Figma, design focused with emphasis on component creation. Export options: WebFlow exports code for websites built in WebFlow. Figma allows export of assets, designs, and development. Hosting: WebFlow offers integrating hosting solutions. Figma focuses on design, no hosting functionality. Target users: WebFlow, designers, developers seeking codeless web creation. Figma, UI UX designers, team collaborating on designs.